applying shadow, WordArt shadow. You click shadow, you could choose any here. Maybe let's go with this. You go back, shadow color, choose a color of your choice. Maybe I like this. You come to shadow effect adjustment, you go up, you go like this, you go more. Okay, we have a wonderful one. Let's change the fill. Let me use texture. I like this texture stuff. I use this. So we have a wonderful WordArt setter. You could change the shape. You say undo. Say undo. You like it like this. So you can now move. So if you want to add more text, you can add. Let's say you say okay. You increase it. It worked.